everyone, and welcome to a new episode called How to Register for the Global Finals. Now that you have taken the online exam, please see your results under My Events. Congratulations! If you've also earned a discount, your discount code should appear here, just like your certificates. Now let's see how you'll register for the Global Finals. Firstly, go to Global Events. Check your qualification status and you can now continue to register. Select the Global Finals you'd like to attend. First, fill in the registration details. Then the parent or guardian details. Afterwards, the visa letter request details. As the final step, proceed to the payment. Here, enter the billing details. And choose your payment method. Remember, you can pay at once or in 2 or 3 installments. Enter your card details. Click on the Agree with Terms and Conditions button. And join us at the Global Finals. Hope to see you there!